Hello guys, welcome to Gym Master Tech Tips. Alright, so in today's video we are going to discuss about the best practice on how you can get your Blogspot blog on Google Snippets boss. Now if you don't know what is Google Snippets boss, let's just dive into it. And see how best I can really explain to you based on my understanding. Google box. Sorry, not that box. This box, the normal box. Let's say I search for how to money online. Alright, doesn't feature how to make money. It doesn't feature okay. This should be how snippets, but it's not really looking well. But this is what we mean. This is what we mean. This kind of thing is what we mean. But as the post goes on, I will better explain it to you guys. Now if you want something like this, or also like this, something like this too. You see? But it's sponsored though. If you want something like this, then this is on your blogger. This is the best post that will explain it to you. Let's say we're writing on this topic. Now, for you to get to that snippets box, you must include header. You must include numbers. Let's say this is my header 2, my h2. My h2 is configuring Samsung Smart TV. Then here, buy your Smart TV. So install Smart TV. Connect the battery to the remote. Connect your Smart TV to the internet. Configure your Smart TV Wi-Fi. Browse with your Smart TV. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. make sure the browser is working well. Be sure to make good use of your smart TV remote. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then you should put, this should be subheading. This should be subheading, and also put numbers 1. Sorry. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write some things under here. In this section, you will understand how to buy smart TV from Amazon. Okay, Amazon. Now let's normal. What is going on? Now let's set up our smart TV by first installation. Another one. Now we have to connect the battery to the remote. Now we will connect the smart TV to the internet. Now let's configure our smart TV Wi-Fi. Then we can now start browsing with our smart TV. Now we have made sure the browser works just fine. Now the remote is working good. Okay, this is it. You can also put here we'll understand how to set up and configure our Samsung Smart TV. Alright, All right. So we'll now put conclusion, but it's not that important though. But once you put in all these things, you can publish. Now I will explain why it has to be this way. Now if you want to make it on Google Snippets boss, this list must be there. The number must be there. Everything must be okay. Everything must be okay. The number must be there, so it looks like a mature blog article. So when the snippets box, when you make it to the snippets box, Google will feature these numbers, this list here on the snippets box. When it's featured, you can now start people can now easily click on your result to come to your page. That is why it's important that you have this set up on your page, you see. So understanding this will really help you in writing a blog post that can really perform well on Google. All of us want to get good traffic on our website. We don't want to waste any potential that we may have on getting good traffic on our website. So it's better we follow the best practice that can really help us get a good and perfect result. Now, as you've understood this, it's also important to note that even if as much as you want to make it to the Google Snippets box, they can only feature, they mostly featured those topics that people are really searching for, and people are they really want to know the answer to some questions they have. They really want to understand how this thing works. Many people, let's say up to 500 are searching it per month. So the robots can now simplify things in such a way that people can easily understand what is happening. People can really navigate and get their solutions. But that's how this that's how it's to make it to Google Snippets box. And also you can also put some picture. If you understand what I mean. You can also put picture. Pictures are very important. Too. So you can also put them up, and everything should work well as it should. You can also do that. So that's how to really rank and make it to the Google snippet boss. So once you've done this, then that is it. Let me search for yes, this is how snippets was look like, just like this. They simplify things, but just that in the, but you can click. That's how it works. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you.